Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how I made $5,912 today, trading NQ futures. Let's get right into it. Actually, before I get into it, just want to show you guys that I actually made this money, right? So here's my TradeSync platform in which I copy trade multiple prop firms. So yeah, bro. I mean, here's the proof. So all you guys really need to know is just made 5.9K today. Today was FOMC, so I wasn't really expecting too much. Not at least until, the whole whatever the fuck happened at 11 o'clock. But no, I mean, we got this like, well, first of all, to start the day off, right? We just consolidated, right? Which is honestly pretty normal. And FOMC is just FOMC chop. So 6:30, right? Market opened and we just, bro, just atrocious price action. But it's what you expect from FOMC, right? So 11 o'clock, 11:30, whatever. We finally get the Diddy candle down, right? And originally my bias for the day, I've really been hoping for us to just dump lower, right? I mean, I'm sure everyone knows this void, right? This week opening week gap, which always gets filled, and for some reason, just I don't know what we're doing, but we've been pumping up like every day, like 1%, and it's been terrible. It really has been, but I'm really hoping that price just will eventually just like dump down eventually to fill this gap. But I mean, heck, bro, this entire week it's been looking bullish, right? So I mean, I can't project my own bias to the market. I had to go off what the market is telling me. So I mean, here what we got was the reason why I went for longs was just knowing the higher time frame after the FOMC candle happened. We kind of got this projection off this 1 hour gap right here, right? And it was a very strong rejection. Obviously, we had a 4 hour there too, but just off this 1 hour gap, huge rejection. And I believe ES, same thing, right? So ES correlated here as well. But as you can see, just crazy pump up, and then now we're in this gap. So my goal, what I was looking for, was for us to inverse this gap right here, the FOMC candle, and target all-time highs, right? So I wanted to target all-time highs today, just to get a quick trade in. But yeah, I mean, what you'll see here is that, bro, like we'll just like chop, like we'll go down and then we'll go up, and like you'll see we kind of chop here. And at this point, I'm not really like that confident in this trade anymore because we're just straight chopping, and it's been like bro, this shit is terrible. Like as you guys can see, this is just terrible price action. We finally get that pop higher. Um, but I don't just enter inverse for rally gaps. I don't do that because I get faked out all the time. So for my strategy, my entry model, what I like to do is get a 1 minute inverse above the gap, a retracement back down, and then, going back up in this case to just signal that we're going to go higher. So, I mean, as you can see, we kind of rejected off this 1 minute gap here, but we finally get that inverse of the 1 minute candle from the 5 minute gap right here. So this was kind of unfortunate because at this point we were already up like um 40 points. So I mean, I was like, fuck, bro, like should I take this trade, should I not? But honestly, like once we got this retracement back into the gap, um where is it? Shit, did we even get it? I swear we did. All right, well, I think what I try to do was just off this 1 minute gap. You see how we kind of like rejected off the gap and just continued higher? I think I just took it off that. And that's exactly what happened. So I took it off that basically. Um, Honestly, the reason why I didn't like wait for the retracement back into the gap was because this 1 minute candle, um, which we already traced back into. So if we would have went lower, it wouldn't make sense. But not even that, but like the draw here was so clear, bro, that we're going higher. Like after inversing such a fat gap like this, it's like it's almost inevitable for us to just like not respect where it wants to go. So I just had to enter this trade. I believe I had like a 17-point stop loss. Just had this little gap right here to cover my loss or whatever, and then yeah, bro, just targeted this high right here, and literally in a minute, like in a minute it hit my TP. So I made like 6K in like a minute. It was crazy. But yeah, today was a pretty, I wouldn't say easy trade because I don't trade like this late in the day. Plus, it was kind of choppy. But it worked out in the end. So it was still, a great trade nonetheless. Something that I take off discretion, obviously, because it didn't fit my whole criteria, my entry model. But I mean, I was just super convinced in the draw, and I had a confluence right here as well. So this was a very just like, okay, it's gonna go up. I'm gonna take it up, and yeah, I mean, that's it. That's how I made 5.9K today in a minute trading NQ futures.